A bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary, a retreat from the world. Selecting colors thoughtfully is key to creating a luxurious ambience. Soft, muted tones create a sense of calm and serenity. Warm, inviting hues like deep reds and rich browns evoke feelings of comfort and luxury. Whether you prefer a serene oasis or a bold and dramatic retreat, the right colors can help you create the bedroom of your dreams. Remember, this is your personal haven, so choose colors that speak to you and create a space that truly feels like home. Creating a serene bedroom ambience often begins with a soft and calming color palette. Imagine a bedroom with walls painted in a gentle shade of sky blue. To enhance this serene atmosphere, consider incorporating soft textures and natural materials. A plush upholstered headboard in a natural linen fabric adds a touch of understated elegance. A jute rug adds texture and warmth underfoot. The overall effect is a bedroom that feels both serene and inviting, a true sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For those who prefer a more dramatic and luxurious aesthetic, jewel tones and rich hues offer a captivating alternative. Imagine a bedroom with walls painted in a deep velvety emerald green. The trim, a crisp white, provides a striking contrast, while dark wood furniture adds to the air of opulence. A plush velvet headboard in a deep sapphire blue becomes a statement piece. Silk or satin throw pillows in shades of ruby red, and amethyst purple add pops of color and texture. A vintage chandelier with crystal accents casts a warm, inviting glow over the space. By carefully balancing bold hues with neutral accents, you can create a bedroom that is both luxurious and inviting. The way a room is lit can dramatically impact how colors are perceived. Natural light has a unique ability to enhance the beauty of colors, making them appear richer and more vibrant. When designing your bedroom, consider the direction of natural light and how it interacts with your chosen color palette. In a bedroom bathed in soft morning sunlight, cool colors like blues and greens will appear even more calming and serene. Warm colors like reds and yellows, on the other hand, will take on a welcoming glow when bathed in the golden hues of afternoon light. By understanding how natural light affects color perception, you can choose a palette that will shine throughout the day. Soft, diffused lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Dimmers are an excellent addition, allowing you to adjust the brightness and mood of your lighting to suit your needs. While color plays a vital role in setting the mood of your bedroom, incorporating different textures and patterns can add depth and visual interest. Think of texture as another layer of design that can transform a flat, one-dimensional space into a multi-sensory experience. Imagine a bedroom with a neutral color palette of soft grays and creams. Now, introduce a mix of textures: a faux fur throw draped over the foot of the bed, a woven tapestry hung above the headboard, and a collection of ceramic vases on the dresser. Suddenly the room feels cozier, more inviting, and visually captivating. The key is to create a harmonious balance of textures. If you're drawn to rough-hewn materials like wood and stone, soften their presence with plush fabrics like velvet and faux fur. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and patterns to create a space that reflects your unique style. Creating a luxurious bedroom ambience is an art that involves a careful interplay of color, light, and texture. By understanding how these elements work together, you can transform your bedroom into a haven of peace, relaxation, and personal style. Embrace the colors that speak to you, experiment with different textures, and let your personal style shine through. Whether you prefer a serene retreat or a bold and dramatic sanctuary, the key is to create a space that reflects your unique personality and brings you joy. Your bedroom is your personal haven, a space where you can relax, recharge, and be yourself. So go ahead and create a space that you'll love coming home to, night after night. Contact Barde Infra to design your home interiors and transform your space into a personal haven.